Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into one of the most versatile and affordable superfoods out there: eggs. Eggs are a breakfast staple in many households, but have you ever wondered what happens to your body if you eat them every day? Eggs are packed with nutrients, yet they come in at just about 70 calories per large egg. They're also incredibly budget-friendly. For the price of a cup of coffee, you can get a dozen. And here's the best part. Science is backing up the health benefits of eating eggs daily. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that regular egg consumption can improve several key health markers. But that's not all. In the next few minutes, we'll count down the 8 incredible effects eggs have on your body when you incorporate them into your daily meals. So, let's crack this topic wide open. 8. Protein powerhouse. Starting at number 8, eggs are a protein powerhouse. Each egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to function at its best. This protein helps repair tissues, build muscle, and keep you feeling full longer. So, if you're looking to stay energized throughout the day, eggs are the perfect addition to your breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. Curious about how to incorporate them into your meals? It's easy. Try whipping up an omelet packed with veggies for breakfast, or tossing a boiled egg into your salad for lunch. With just a little creativity, eggs can fit into any meal at any time of day. 7. Weight loss. Support. Counting down to number 7. Eggs can help with weight loss. Research shows that the protein in eggs can boost metabolism and reduce appetite, making it easier to maintain a calorie deficit. One study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that people who ate eggs for breakfast consumed fewer calories throughout the day than those who opted for a carb-heavy meal. Not only are eggs low in calories, but they also promote feelings of fullness. If you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain your weight, swapping out that morning bagel for a couple of eggs can be a game changer. Plus, eggs are super affordable, so they won't burn a hole in your pocket while you're cutting down on the calories. 6. Brain boost. Number 6. Eggs are brain food. Eggs are rich in choline, an essential nutrient that plays a key role in maintaining brain health. Choline helps in the production of neurotransmitters, which are responsible for memory and mood regulation. One egg contains about 147 milligrams of choline, making it an excellent choice for supporting cognitive function. For those of you who want to keep your mind sharp, adding eggs to your diet is a no-brainer. Whether scrambled or poached, eggs can be part of your daily brain-boosting meal plan. 5. Eye health. Coming in at number 5, let's talk about your eyes. Eggs are packed with 2 antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are found in the egg yolk. These powerful nutrients are known to protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, 2 common eye disorders. The yolk of the egg is the real hero here. So, next time you're making breakfast, don't skip the yolk. It's full of goodness your eyes will thank you for later. Plus, considering how inexpensive eggs are, protecting your vision has never been so budget-friendly. 5. Heart health. At number 5, we've got heart health. For years, eggs got a bad rap because of their cholesterol content. But more recent research has shown that eating eggs doesn't necessarily raise your cholesterol levels. In fact, studies have revealed that regular egg consumption may increase good cholesterol, HDL, which can lower your risk of heart disease. The key is moderation. Eating an egg or 2 a day as part of a balanced diet can help protect your heart without raising your risk for cardiovascular issues. And with eggs being so cost-effective, it's a heart-healthy habit that won't hurt your wallet. 3. Muscle building and recovery. Cracking into number 3, eggs are fantastic for muscle building and recovery. The high-quality protein in eggs, along with essential vitamins like B12, helps repair muscles after exercise. For athletes or anyone who's hitting the gym regularly, eggs can be the perfect post-workout meal. They're easy to prepare, packed with protein, and cost just a few cents per egg. Whether you enjoy them hard-boiled as a snack or scrambled with a side of toast, eggs will help your muscles recover faster and grow stronger. 2. Stronger bones. Now, let's talk about number 2. Stronger bones. Eggs are a great source of vitamin D, a crucial nutrient that helps your body absorb calcium. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin because our bodies produce it when exposed to sunlight. But for those who don't get enough sun, eggs can be a valuable dietary source. A lack of vitamin D can lead to weakened bones and an increased risk of fractures. So, including eggs in your diet is an easy and inexpensive way to keep your bones strong and healthy. 1. Glowing skin and hair. Finally, the number one benefit of eating eggs every day: healthy skin and hair. Eggs are rich in B-complex vitamins, including S-biotin, which is known for promoting healthy hair and skin. Biotin helps your body produce keratin, the protein that strengthens your hair, nails, and skin. If you're looking for a natural way to improve your complexion or get shinier hair, eggs should be part of your beauty routine. You don't need expensive treatments, just head to your kitchen, whip up a couple of eggs, and you're good to go. And let's not forget how affordable this beauty hack is. How to incorporate eggs into your daily routine. So, now that you know the incredible benefits of eating eggs, how can you include them in your daily routine? Start your day with a Arshat Classic Scrambled Egg breakfast, maybe paired with whole grain toast and some avocado. For lunch, make a protein-packed egg salad sandwich, or toss a few boiled eggs into your favorite greens for a nutrient-dense salad. Dinner. Try a simple egg fried rice or a veggie frittata. It's a great way to use up any leftover vegetables. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, eggs are one of the most affordable protein sources you can find. So, whether you're on a budget or just want to eat healthier, eggs are a perfect addition to your diet. Conclusion. In conclusion, adding eggs to your daily meals can lead to some amazing changes in your body, from better brain function to stronger muscles, healthier eyes, and even glowing skin. And all of this comes at an incredibly low cost. So why not crack open an egg tomorrow and start reaping the benefits? Remember, it's not just a humble egg, it's a small powerhouse of nutrients that can make a big difference in your health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips that are easy, affordable, and most importantly, effective. See you next time. Healthy living, possible for free. Thank you, Health Guide.